Gaeilge Mo Chlann clachdú ar córa an topic Mo Chlann. So today we're practicing our conversation around the topic Mo Chlann, which means my family. So, an céad ceist asks us cvéad daoine i do Gaeilge. So how many people are in your family? So when we count objects in Irish, we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But whenever we count people, we use Dinneowain, Birch, Thrur, Cahrar, Cuigar, Shesher, Shachter, Ochter, Neener, Jaintner. So if one person, 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, 5 people, 6 people, 7 people, 8 people, 9 people, 10 people. So if there was 4 in your house, you would say Tá Cahrar Mo Chlann, or instead of Gaeilge, you can also use clan. So they mean the same thing, Gaeilge and clan. So if it was you, your brother, your mum and your dad, that would be 4 people in your family. So it would be Tá Cahrar Mo Chlann or clan. So you have to pick how many people are in your family, and then so Tá Cuigar Mo Chlann or Tá Cuigar Mo Chlann. And then ceist asks us cvéad drahar atá agat. So how many brothers do you have? So maybe níl aon drahar agam, which means I have no brothers. So if you have no brothers, say this: Tá drahar amháin agam means I have 1 brother. Or if you have 2 brothers, Tá Birch drahar agam. If you have 3, Tá Thrur drahar agam. If it's 4, Tá Cahrar drahar agam, and so on. And then ever 3 says cvéad dearafór atá agat. So how many sisters do you have? So the same as for brothers, we say níl aon dearafóra agam, means I have no sisters. Tá dearafór amháin agam means I have 1 sister. Or if I have more than 1, I would say if I have 2, Tá Birch dearafóra agam. If I have 3, Tá Thrur dearafóra agam. If I have 4, Tá Cahrar dearafóra agam. Or maybe you have no brothers or sisters in your house. So if you have no brothers or sisters, you say is pascha éonar me. So I am an only child. And then ever a cahar asks us cadas anyam dá do wami or cadas anyam dá do yaji. So if your mum's name is Mary, you'd say Mary is anam dá wami. Or if your mum's name was Margaret, you'd say Margaret is anyam dá wami. Or if somebody asks you cadas anyam dá do yaji, so if your dad's name was John, it would be John is anyam dá yaji. Or if your dad's name was Michael, you'd say Michael is anyam dá yaji. And then ever a cuig asks us cé hé an pascha is sinne I do Chlann. So who is the oldest child in your house, or in your family? So if it's a boy, we say is a. It could be is a John an pascha is sinne sa Chlann. Or if it is your sister that is the oldest in your class or in your family, you would say is e Mary an pascha is sinne sa Chlann. Or if it was you that is the oldest, then you would say is misha an pascha is sinne sa Chlann. And then ever a she asks us cé hé an pascha is óige I do Chlann. So if sinne is the oldest, óige would be the youngest. So the same as we did for saying who is the oldest. So if it's the boy or your brother who is the youngest, is a John and Pastia is Óige sa Chlann. Or if your sister is the youngest, you say Is I Mary and Pastia is Óige sa Chlann. Or if you are the youngest in your family, you would say Is Misha and Pastia is Óige sa Chlann.